I've spent the past month testing out some of the top weight distribution hitches on the market so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. From the installation process to the towing experience, I'm giving you an upfront, no-nonsense review of these products. Let's dive into the details and see which hitch suits your needs best.
Product number 1. Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch, 14,000 pounds. When I first got my hands on the Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch with a 14,000 pounds max towing capacity, I was immediately struck by its robust build. Weighing in at 83.8 pounds, this hitch is no lightweight, and its solid carbon steel construction gives it a formidable presence. As I unboxed it, the chrome-plated ball and durable components assured me that it was built to withstand some serious towing challenges. I was eager to put it to the test with my RV. Setting it up was surprisingly straightforward. The 2-inch shank was compatible with my receiver, and the inclusion of a pry bar was a thoughtful addition that made seating the spring bars a breeze. The multiple shank holes for fine-tuning the rise or drop were particularly useful, as they allowed me to adjust the setup to perfectly match my trailer's height. As a result, the hitch provided an extremely stable towing experience, which was evident as I navigated both highways and winding back roads. The standout feature of this hitch has to be the 4-point sway control system. Unlike some other hitches, this system uses friction to counteract any side-to-side sway, which was particularly noticeable when driving through crosswinds. This sway control is compatible with various surge and brake actuators, making it a versatile choice for different towing setups. The peace of mind this feature provided was invaluable, especially when towing larger trailers over long distances. In terms of pros, the Vevor hitch excels in its ability to redistribute tongue weight effectively, leveling out the rig and enhancing both steering and braking control. Its universal fit also makes it a versatile option for various vehicle types, from RVs and trucks to vans and even ATVs. However, the hitch's weight could be a con for some users, particularly if frequent installation and removal are required.
Product number 2. Fastway Connect Weight Distribution Hitch. The Fastway Connect Weight Distribution Hitch caught my attention with its promise of fast and easy adjustments. Upon receiving it, I was intrigued by its 89-pound structure, crafted from alloy steel and finished with a powder coating that promised durability and resistance to the elements. The first thing I noticed was the inclusion of hardened steel chains designed to connect the hitch arms to the trailer frame. This setup is aimed at improving load distribution, a critical feature for anyone seeking a safer towing experience. Installation was refreshingly simple. The absence of any need for frame drilling was a huge plus, especially for someone like me who isn't thrilled about making permanent modifications to equipment. Adjusting the weight distribution was just as easy as advertised. By changing the chain link that attaches to the trailer frame hook, I could quickly correct the setup, making the process less of a chore and more of a straightforward task. While towing, the Fastway Connect hitch delivered on its promise of improved stability. The design uses chains to connect the spring arms to the trailer frame, which enhanced both braking and steering control. This stability was particularly noticeable when towing loads closer to the hitch's 10,000 pounds maximum weight limit, providing a reassuring sense of control. One of the pros of this hitch is certainly its universal compatibility. Whether you're dealing with RVs, cargo, utility, horse, or ATV trailers, this hitch can be installed with minimal hassle. The pre-installed hitch ball and the standard shank with a 3-inch drop and a 7-inch rise make it versatile for different towing setups. On the downside, the hitch's weight might be a concern for some, and while it offers a solid towing experience, it lacks the built-in sway control that some competitors provide.
Product number 3. Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch, 12,000 pounds. The Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch with the 12,000 pounds towing capacity is a solid blend of performance and reliability. Weighing in slightly less than its heftier counterparts, this model still promises the same robust construction that Vevor is known for. As I unpacked the hitch, the carbon steel components stood out, promising both strength and durability. The chrome-plated ball was a nice touch, adding not only to the aesthetic appeal, but also to the product's longevity by resisting corrosion. Setting up the hitch was a straightforward process, thanks to the standard 2-inch shank that fits most 2-inch receivers. I appreciated the multiple shank holes, which made it simple to adjust the rise or drop to suit my vehicle's height. This feature was particularly beneficial as it allowed for a customized setup that ensured a level trailer, which is crucial for safe towing. While towing, the hitch's ability to redistribute tongue weight across the vehicle and trailer was evident. The even distribution improved both steering and braking, making my journey more controlled whether I was on a bustling highway or a quiet back road. The hitch also supports adding a sway control kit, though it's sold separately, which could be a consideration for those looking for enhanced stability. One of the main advantages of this VVOR hitch is its robust construction and optimized weight distribution. The universal fit makes it a versatile choice for various towing needs, whether you're hauling an RV, a trailer, or a truck. However, some might find the lack of an included sway control system to be a drawback, as it requires an additional purchase for those who need it.
Product number 4. VVOR Weight Distribution Hitch 10,000 pounds. When it comes to towing mid to large trailers, the VVOR Weight Distribution Hitch with a 10,000 pounds capacity is an impressive tool. From the moment I lifted its 87.1 pound frame, I could tell it was built for the long haul. Constructed with a solid carbon steel head and a chrome-plated ball, this hitch exudes durability and strength. As I prepared to install it, I was pleased to find that it fits seamlessly into my 2-inch receiver thanks to its 2-inch shank. The installation process was straightforward, aided by the pre-drilled mounts, which also allow for the addition of a sway control kit if needed. This is a significant feature for those who require additional stability while towing on different terrains. Once installed, the hitch performed admirably. It redistributed the tongue weight across the vehicle and trailer, which resulted in a level ride and improved handling. The enhanced steering and braking control were notable, providing a smoother and more controlled driving experience. A significant advantage of this hitch is its robust build, which resists bending and corrosion, making it reliable in tough outdoor conditions. This ensures that the hitch remains a dependable part of your towing setup trip after trip. However, the hitch's weight might be a con for those who frequently install and remove it, as it requires a bit of muscle to handle. Product number 5. VVOR Weight Distribution Hitch 6,000 pounds. The VVOR Weight Distribution Hitch with a 6,000 pounds max towing capacity is designed for those who need reliable performance for lighter towing tasks. As I unboxed the hitch, its 80.5 pound frame felt sturdy yet manageable. The carbon steel head and chrome-plated ball immediately suggested a focus on durability, promising resistance against bending and corrosion. Installing this hitch was a straightforward endeavor. The 2-inch shank fit perfectly into my receiver, and the included pry bar made seating the spring bars a hassle-free process. The multiple shank holes were a practical feature, allowing me to adjust the setup to ensure the trailer was level. Once on the road, the hitch's weight distribution capabilities came to the fore. By redistributing tongue weight across the vehicle and trailer, it enhanced both steering and braking, making for a more controlled towing experience. The built-in 4-point sway control system was a standout feature, utilizing friction to counteract side-to-side sway. This was particularly reassuring when navigating through gusty conditions or uneven terrain. The pros of this VVOR hitch include its strong build and effective sway control, both crucial for maintaining stability while towing. Its universal fit makes it suitable for a range of vehicles, from trucks to RVs. On the downside, its 6,000 pounds towing capacity might not meet the needs of those looking to tow heavier loads. In summary, the VVOR Weight Distribution Hitch with a 6,000 pounds capacity is a solid choice for those who require a reliable hitch for lighter towing tasks.
After testing these weight distribution hitches, it's clear that each has its own strengths suited to different towing needs. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty option or something for lighter loads, there's a hitch here for you. Choose based on your specific requirements, and you'll be towing with confidence in no time.